is involved and wounded so many soldiers, British rulers. Suddenly, the British rulers arrested Veerapandiya Kattabomman and he was brought from the magistrate. Magistrate immediately asked him to hang in Kamaranti, Pandalamurti. So he was hanged in Pandalamurti as a hero. So we remember this day Veerapandiya Kattabomman. Likewise, his brother Muhammad Rai also fought for our country. He was also
கல்விதான் உங்களது மிகப்பெரிய
என் ஜீவ காற்றே பாரதம், என் தேச காற்றே பாரதம், என்
இன்று நாம் நமது தேசியத்தின் 77வது சுதந்திர தினத்தை கொண்டாடுகிறோம். 1947 ஆண்டு இதே நாளில்
in your life and peaceful life. What is your decision?
Wait, I will discuss with my friend.
Ich bin Tiring Saharaya Jata